Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into the latest from Samsung's upcoming tablet lineup. Buckle up because things just got a bit confusing. Samsung just put the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and S10 Ultra up for pre-order in the US, and here's the kicker, they haven't even officially launched them yet, so what's the deal with these new tablets? According to SamMobile, Samsung's lineup features only two models, the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. No mention of a standard Galaxy Tab S10, which aligns with recent leaks. Let's talk prices. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus starts at $999.99 for the base model with 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. If you need more space, the 512 GB model will set you back $1,119.99. Now, for the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, it comes in three variants. The 12 GB plus 256 GB version is priced at $1,199.99. The 12 GB plus 512 GB at $1,319.99, and the top-tier 12 GB plus 1 TB version costs a whopping $1,619.99. Both models will be available in Moonstone Gray and Platinum Silver, and you can get your hands on them starting October 3rd in the US. So, what's under the hood? Expect a 12.4-inch AMOLED display for the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, and a larger 14.6-inch AMOLED display for the S10 Ultra. Both tablets will sport an Armor Aluminium frame for durability. Powering these beasts is likely the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset. Battery-wise, the S10 Plus might pack a 10090 mAh battery, while the Ultra could boast an 11200 mAh battery. And of course, they'll be running Android 14 with Samsung's One UI 6. 1.1 right out of the box. So there you have it, folks. Samsung's new tablets are up for grabs, even if they haven't officially hit the stage yet. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for the latest in tech. Catch you in the next one.